In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact 5-step simple method I used to generate $173,825. You can see my name, Garrett, right here, because this is my account. Now, by the end of this video, you'll discover every single simple step to implement this exact 5-step dummy-proof method with 0 pieces left out. Whether you're a total beginner with affiliate marketing or you've struggled in the past, this method will be incredibly easy for you. And you'll finally have a formula you can rinse and repeat to flow in money again and again, even while you're sleeping.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, so step 1 is we want to go to ClickBank. We need to find a product to actually start promoting, and when people purchase that product through our affiliate link, we'll be able to generate commissions and money. So just go to clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, go to the sign up button, click that, and then fill out your information, or just log in if you already have an account. Now, once we log into ClickBank, we want to go to the very top and click Marketplace. Now, this is going to list the categories of products that we can find to promote. Now, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend you either choose e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, or self-help. Okay, so whichever one stands out to you, whichever one you're most interested in, you want to start there. So let's say, for the example, health and fitness. You just click that category, and now we want to sort results by gravity. Okay, this is going to list which products have the most gravity score, okay, right here. Now, what that means on ClickBank is these products are selling the best. So we want to promote products that are selling the best, because if other people are making sales, then we can promote that and make sales too. So you just want to choose one of these top products, okay? You want to look at also the average dollar per conversion. Choose anything between $25 to about $150 when you're starting off. So for example, we can do the custom keto diet. Now, to get your affiliate link, just click promote, generate hop links, and this right here is your affiliate link. Now, step 2 is we want to actually shorten this long affiliate link, because this is unattractive and people aren't going to want to click on it. So we just want to copy our affiliate link and go to a site called tinyurl.com. And all we have to do is paste in that link right here, make tinyurl, and basically we have a link that we can just copy, and this right here is our shortened link that we want to promote. Now, step 3 is we want to actually go to youtube.com, and we want to find topics that people are actually searching when it comes to the topic of our product. So the product that we're promoting in this video has to do with keto. So what you can do is go to the search bar and you can type in a word or two that has to do with the product you're promoting. So I can do keto, and once you hit space, YouTube gives you a drop down of these different topics. Now, YouTube is recommending these different topics because this is what other people are searching on. So now we know that these are popular topics when it comes to keto, keto pasta, keto snacks. You can also do keto and then type in a letter. So keto A, keto and fasting results, keto and fasting B, okay, keto breakfast ideas. You're starting to realize now that all these different topics are topics that are very, very popular when it has to do with our product. Now, once we have topics, what we want to do is create YouTube videos or pay someone else to create YouTube videos around these specific topics, because when people search in keto breakfast ideas, our video can potentially show up right here, and people will click our video and then they'll find our affiliate link that we're going to put in our description. Okay, so how do we actually create these videos where there's an exact structure that you want to follow? So what you can do is you can actually use a software that's free called OBS. Okay, just go to obsproject.com. You can actually download this to your computer. And this is the exact software that I'm actually using right now. And what you can do is you can actually record yourself or just your screen and talk over it like I'm doing in this video. You don't actually have to put your face out there. Or if you don't want to actually create the videos yourself, you can go to a site called Fiverr.com. You can create a free account, and then you can pay someone to create videos, for example, whiteboard and animated explainer videos. Now, they range in different prices, okay? So you can pay someone for as little as $5 to $10 to create a video, and they can actually do a video for you, and you can upload that on your channel. Now, what is the structure of the videos you want to follow? Okay, I have a document right here. This is the structure of videos. Now, the intro, the very first thing you want to do in your YouTube videos, whether you create them yourself or you pay someone, is you want to say, hey, it's, and then your name or the person creating the video's name. Chances are you're looking for, and then you want to say the keyword. For the example, let's say it was keto breakfast ideas. In the video, you can say, hey, it's Garrett. Chances are you're looking for keto breakfast ideas. Okay, because in the very beginning of the video, we want to hook the person so they keep watching. And by saying the keyword, they know they're in the right place. Now, the second thing we want to do in our video is start to share some tips around the keyword. So for this example, it would be keto breakfast ideas. Now, you may be thinking, how do I find tips? What value can I share in the video? Well, you can actually just go to Google and search the keyword and just reiterate in your own words what other people have already taught. So for example, I just searched keto breakfast ideas. I scroll down, and right here are 20 great keto breakfast ideas to try right now. So you could literally just in the video share, your top 5 keto breakfast ideas and just pick, 5 of these 20 and share that in your YouTube video. And the last thing we want to do at the end of our video is we want to give a call to action. We want to tell someone to basically click the link under our video, which is where we're going to put our shortened affiliate link. So we want to say at the end of the video, if you'd like to learn more information on keto or whatever your product is, click the link below to learn more. Okay, and we're directing that person that's watching that video that's interested in what our product has to do with to go check out more information by looking at our product. And a good portion of these people are going to go down to our link and decide to buy because the affiliate sales page is very high converting, which is what we did in the very first step. Now, real quick, I want to share with you that my YouTube channel here is in the affiliate marketing niche, right? So I teach people affiliate marketing and how to get traffic, leads, and sales. This channel is following this formula, right? In the beginning, I give an intro, I share value, and then at the end, I give a call to action to check out more information. I also did this in the dog training niche. So on ClickBank, I found a product teaching people how to get their dog to stop biting. And so I actually did this video. Okay, this was 4 years ago, and I targeted the keyword or the topic, how to get a dog to stop biting, okay, right here. And you can see right here, I did this video, very short, 2-minute, 48-second video, okay? And then under the description, I put in the tiny URL. This is a link that goes to an affiliate product, okay? And these people commented, thanks for the info. Who will not start? So I basically just shared some value, okay? And then I linked people with a call to action to my link. Now, ignore the dislikes because honestly, it doesn't matter. I made tons and tons of ClickBank sales just using this method with this exact video. And like I said, step 5 is you want to upload the video to a channel. Okay, it's very easy to create a YouTube channel. And then in the description, just paste your tiny URL affiliate link as I explained right here. Now, I hope you got incredible value in this video. This is the exact 5-step affiliate method I've used to generate over $170,000 in just one of the programs I'm currently promoting. Anyone can do this. You can pay someone if you don't want to create your own videos, or you can just simply record your screen like I did in this video, and you don't even have to show your face. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be posting weekly videos just like this, so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 recommended affiliate program that pays you instant paying commissions and allows you to generate commissions even while you're sleeping, be sure to go down, click that first link, and check out that free video giving you an overview of exactly how it works. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.